What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. Just wanted to give this update ahead of next week. Next week is probably going to be quite a big week for crypto. Obviously we've been fairly bullish with crypto in the last, year to date basically. In 2023 we can also say. And Luna Classic has followed that, and it was a big chunk of that bullish momentum we had. I think was because of the changing economic circumstances, right? So we have an inflation rate that's dropping down. It's great for you and I. It's also great for crypto. And then what we'll have on Wednesday, which is pretty big for crypto, is the Federal Reserve interest rate decision and just everything around that. Probably some sort of a press conference, but also what they're going to say about their monetary policy, those kind of things. So that's going to be big for crypto, big for Bitcoin, big for Ethereum. Luna Classic is, if you compare it with other cryptos in correlation to the market or in correlation to Bitcoin, it's fairly uncorrelated, but it still is correlated. We still move up when the market moves up, and right now what certainly doesn't help is that there's really not a lot going on around Luna Classic, at least probably behind the scenes, but in front of the screens there's really nothing. No big proposals. Obviously in a month we'll start getting the hype of the Binance burn the beginning of March, but that's a month away, and right now there's just not a lot to go off, and you can also see that in the price. I mean, we've been consolidating more and more. I do expect bullish momentum because of the interest rate. Usually you have some bullish momentum ahead of that. I'm not sure if I already said that. At least if the expected outcome is bullish. So I am expecting some bullish momentum, but definitely not because of Luna Classic. And I think most of you know how I feel about Luna Classic and the way they've been going. So yeah, it's short term. There's really not a lot we can say about Luna Classic. I'll try to bring some more value tomorrow on. Well, we could check out something right now, how TERRA Classic is actually doing as a chain, which is interesting, I'd say. This is TERRA 2. I think TERRA Classic has a little bit more still. Well, we can look that up here, right? TERRA Classic. Yeah, this is obviously not a great thing. Yeah, in total value locked, it's just not doing anything as well. The chain is just well, I wouldn't say it's dead, but it's well, there's not a lot going on at TERRA Classic, which is obviously not great for Luna Classic. So maybe it's really a blessing that we'll probably have some bullish momentum coming from the markets. But short term, as I said, the price is pretty dead. What I expect with the bullish momentum in the market is that we will be able to get up a little bit higher. Yesterday we got towards 18,000. I do think we'll be able to get towards 18,500, perhaps even 19,000. And I said that yesterday as well in my update. I'm really not sure if we can break this level between 18,500 and 19,500. For a lot of cryptos, I am expecting bullish breakouts. But for Luna Classic, it's just a little bit more complicated. And lately I have been kind of seeing in the sentiment about Luna Classic that more people are really losing their patience / trust in the project, which is obviously long term, but also short term, not great. So I expect us to probably consolidate for a little bit longer right here between 17,000 or between 18,000 and 17,000. Then at some point I think we will be able to break above 18,000 and get up to this 18,500, 19,000 level. But for now I'm going to say that we will not break that ahead of Wednesday. But obviously I'll be back with more daily updates on Luna Classic, so don't worry about that. But for now, take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.